Ananzo official is in trouble abusuya since it's receiving the $5K and an extra $1K from Davido. Wablo promoted the Davido song with you. Now this song was banking all over the country, all over the world, and Davido promised him $5K, and then because of delays and dollar inflation, dollar inflation abusuya, dollar inflation. And because of the dollar being down to the cedis in abusuya, Davido added $1K. And Ananzo official is in trouble. And I spotted his video online. Na unia and a sexy lady video were dancing, and the way he hit the lady in buttocks, people were saying, hey, this year when you have $5K, you have started hitting ladies that are buttocks. Ananzo, people are really watching you, so be careful whatever you're doing. But this is the reason why Ananzo official is in trouble. Did you know that you are legally required to pay taxes on any gift you receive, whether in cash or kind, except in specific exempt cases? And Ananzo official in the one GRA monitor Ananzo official, Ghana Revenue Authority CDP. They are watching Ananzo official receiving the $5K and an extra $1K, and they are saying, Oga, we they watch you, so they there. You know, be say you dey open business or you dey do your business where Ghana Revenue Authority go fit come tax you. No. Any gift you dey receive, whether in cash or in kind, you are entitled to pay taxes on that gift. And Ghana Revenue Authority for Bushia, omo say, "Debi, hey, Ananzo official receive this Ghana, Debi, omo nyan country, but pause Ghana, and status omo draw attention for Ghana Revenue Authority to see said Debi, this guy needs to pay the tax." And this is what they wrote on a social media platform. I say, did you know that you are legally required to pay taxes on any gift received, whether in cash or in kind? According to the Income Tax Act 2015 Act 896, that is, let me take it again. According to the Income Tax Act 2015 Act 896, a gift is taxable when received in relation to one's employment, business, or investment, unless it is received under a will. Now, they are saying, say, if someone gives you something, what I say, you are entitled to pay tax on it. You can be taxed by the Ghana Revenue Authority. That is the Income Tax Act 2015 Act 896. It says ubi beche wadie eyesika say adibio, you are entitled to pay tax on that gift. I just say via the codie and I will ebi am free mu a majapadi monfamo asumesi. That one there, you are safe. Let me continue reading. Upon intestacy, TTI, upon intestacy or transferred to a spouse, child, or parent, in all other cases, such gifts are subject to tax under Ghana's income tax law. It's the Ananzo official you are watching. Pause Ghana TV. Pause Ghana is trying to, create confusion between you and Ghana Revenue Authority. Even if Ghana Revenue Authority, they saw this and they feel like, okay, let us approach Ananzo official. Ghanaians will throw their mouth all over. They will say, hey, when this guy was in the washing bay, washing the cars, singing the songs, where was Ghana Revenue Authority? He's a citizen, and he's a citizen of the country. And then working in the washing bay, he has been paying the taxes over there. And then Davido gifted him $5K, and you guys are trying to create confusion. You guys are trying to draw attention. You guys are trying to tell Ghana Revenue Authority to go and tax Ananzo official. For what? For what reason? But this time, while this may come as surprise to many, gift tax applied to both resident and non-resident Ghanaians despite minimal enforcement by the Ghana Revenue Authority. I'm gonna say we a bit more surprised among Ghana for now because any part of the name say achediempo which your air tax on it. Now we know for those who stays in Ghana and those who don't even stay in the country. Ghana for Ghana for who receive a gift, you are entitled to pay tax, or you are charged to pay tax on the gift that you just received, whether in cash or in kind. And will be now minimal enforcement is in Ghana by the GRA, because the over Ghana a taxing system na, and this is a very tight and very stressed on what I say. And yet that one. So they are just trying to draw attention and to educate at the same time, telling Ghanaians say the gift Ananzo official receive, he is entitled to pay tax, but just say the law enforcement and a minimum what I say. And see, GRA can decide not to tax him because the guy has suffered when he was singing in the washing bay. This guy was washing the cars and he was busy now, zobu. If I speak English, you raw. Cho your workings. I won't punish you or war. I won't my girl too fine. No be makeup or your baby like that, no. Finish one for me, baby. Oh. Obieti matter that's yes, show me 2 hours. I told you that's the income about. Post Ghana is trying to create confusion and draw attention. But we beg you, GRA, please, for this time around, forgive Ananzo official. Let him enjoy small. And right now, he has been chilling with the ladies. The carnival, wherever the party day, Mr. Clean. Style of my head is, if you ain't money, then we ain't cool. This is whatever is trending with the media space, and we cannot keep it to ourselves. I come out to this. If this is the first time coming across on our platform, this is what we do. Kindly subscribe to our platform on YouTube and follow us on all the social media handles. I go by the name Sticky the Stu Pastor and finally out.